Welcome back to channel guys. Let's solve another problem with respect to pandas. Here is your problem about reshaping the data. Here we need to simply write a solution to concatenate these two data frames vertically into one data frame. The result format is in the following example. Here they have given one example. Here we need to simply stack data frame 1 on the top of the data frame 2. This can be done using concat function which is present in the pandas. Let's begin with the code. Let's declare one variable as result, and here we will simply use concat function of data frame here. So one thing to note here guys, here we have to pass data frames in the lists, not it will not work within the tuples. Let's try to simply return our result data frame. Here we have successfully passed our test case. Let's try to submit your code. Here you can see here guys, we have successfully submitted our code. If you really do like my approach, please do like video, share and comment it too. Thank you and see you in the next video.